Nature is a mesmerizing force that can both awe and terrify us. In this video, join yellowtv as we explore extraordinary moments you may have never seen before. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more incredible moments. Welcome to Iceland, where the Earth's throwing a fiery bash. Molten lava lights up the sky in brilliant reds and oranges, turning the volcanic eruption into nature's ultimate party trick. It's a dazzling, awe-inspiring display that shows just how hot things get when Iceland's in charge of the guest list. When Rapidan Dam opted for an unplanned renovation, it didn't just make a splash, it unleashed a torrent. The once formidable structure crumbled, transforming the landscape into a chaotic water park with roaring floods and surprise waterfalls. These guys got an unexpected hair makeover, thanks to static electricity in the storm. When they can't afford a trip to the salon, sometimes nature steps in with its own electrifying touch. Now that's what they call a shocking new style. Sometimes, a striped bullfrog has just the right sound to score the perfect soundtrack for a folk horror movie. This landslide in the Philippines shows just how quickly the landscape can change, as if the mountain itself decided to take a tumble. Even trees know how to shine, with a little help from lightning. This spectacular strike turned a quiet moment into a fiery show.
Kevin!
Oh my God!
Looks like this caravan got an unexpected upgrade to a river cruise, courtesy of the Suzy flood. It's a wild ride, but not the kind you'd find in a travel brochure. In this Glacier Bay video, the ice isn't just melting, it's dancing with the waves, turning a natural process into a stunning spectacle. It's nature's own icy ballet. Hurricane Ian isn't just a storm, it's an artist at work, sculpting with wind and waves instead of hammer and chisel. The result? A dramatic masterpiece on Florida's coastline that you won't soon forget. Two men hiking in the Biokovo mountain range witnessed a mountain goat lose its footing, triggering a rapid rock slide, a spectacular wild domino effect. The rock slide lasted about a minute, but fortunately, it was narrow enough for them to dodge safely. Rarely do you see a weather event that could double as batting practice, but today, nature decided to turn your backyard into a sports arena. When the skies unleash such unexpected fury, it's a strong hint that staying indoors is the safest play. It seems the Ganges River is trying to break a Guinness World Record for the biggest river splash. With a wave so mighty, it could sweep you off your feet. The river decided to show off its power, turning a peaceful scene into a chaotic water show. A massive iceberg at Alaska's LeConte Glacier breaks free, crashing into the water like a giant taking a cold plunge. In a thunderstorm, it's better to stay clear of trees when thunder roars. Wow! Where freshwater meets saltwater, nature creates a stunning spectacle. Two worlds colliding in a beautiful dance of contrasts. In a flash, a landslide came crashing down the mountainside like a river of chocolate pudding, instantly blocking the road below. Thankfully, no one was caught in nature's sudden display of power. Welcome to Barcelona, where the sky loves to cosplay as a doomsday movie set. Someone should really give Hollywood a call. When nature throws a surprise water festival in Bahrain Swat, the whole town gets swept into the action. The streets transform into rivers, and everyone's an unwilling guest at this wild, watery party. This tornado isn't just clearing the air, it's vacuuming up everything in sight like a supercharged Dyson on a rampage. Imagine shaking a soda bottle a bit too much, and instead of fizz, you get a river of molten lava pouring out. Welcome to the Gillinga de Leer Volcano Fiery Grand Show. In just a few seconds, the landscape here was remodeled by nature's invisible hand, a sudden and unplanned makeover.